Despite its many advantages, breastfeeding can sometimes be challenging. Mothers may experience difficulties such as pain, fatigue, or concerns about milk supply. These challenges are common, especially for first-time mothers, and they can be overcome with proper guidance and support. Encouragement from healthcare providers, family members, and community support groups plays a key role in helping mothers succeed. Support for breastfeeding should extend beyond the home. Workplaces, schools, and public spaces should create breastfeeding-friendly environments. Providing maternity leave, flexible working hours, and safe spaces for breastfeeding or expressing milk allows mothers to continue breastfeeding while meeting their daily responsibilities.
Breast milk is always available, clean, and at the right temperature. It requires no preparation, no cost, and no special equipment. This makes breastfeeding especially important in communities with limited access to clean water, healthcare, or financial resources. Environmentally, breastfeeding produces no waste, making it a